The Honeywell Portable 10,000 BTU air conditioner is a 3-in-1 unit providing cooling, dehumidification, and a fan. This portable air conditioner can cool rooms up to 450 square feet and does so with powerful airflow and quiet operation. The auto-evaporation means no buckets are required to empty this unit, and the eAccess washable air filter helps catch unwanted dust particles from the air. The built-in dehumidifier removes up to 80 pints every 24 hours with continuous drain options for longer unattended operation. The unit provides you with 3 speed settings, sleep mode, digital controls, 24-hour energy-saving timer, and all this can be controlled by the included remote control. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.